Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and this video is about your shift key and how it can help you. Let's say I want to select all these nodes from there to there, but if I do, I'm going to encompass that item if that item was, it was selectable. I can hold down the shift and then select them all, and I'm selecting all the nodes. But if you hold down the shift key, I can select from there, hold down the shift key and select from there. I did not interfere with these. I can go from there. It's the shortest distance between the two nodes that I'm selecting. Holding down I didn't hold down the shift. Wow. And then hit delete and you've deleted those two. Same thing here. We might have trouble grasping these. I want all the nodes, but I don't want to do that. But I can select that node, hold down the shift and grab that node, and I've selected all the nodes. Or let's just say I want these three nodes. I can very easily select them, but if there were a lot of them, I can just select that one, hold down the shift and select that one. Very easy to use the shift key to, let's say I wanted those nodes to those nodes. I wanted to basically delete those two nodes, but if I do that, it'll delete all four nodes. But I hope you get the idea that you can hold down the shift key and it'll just keep running between the 2 points. Let's do this. Let's add a lot of nodes to this. And I made my nodes big. Let's say I just want from there to there gone. Bam. I want from that node to that node gone. I didn't hold down the shift. Okay, I'm not looking, so I was holding down the control button. So I'm just selecting nodes with the shift key. Let's select from there, hold down the shift from there. Selected all of them. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.